Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Halo Inc. and we came up with an improvement to the way that we upload videos to YouTube from the GoPro. So obviously I can't show you taking the SD card out of the GoPro because we're using the GoPro to shoot this video. But if you follow the instructions on video 1, which is on the card inside of the GoPro, we're eliminating step 2 completely. So video number 1 will show you how to take out the SD card if you don't know how. So the first thing you're going to want to do once you go ahead and get your SD card out is at your computer, you're going to check to see if you have an SD card reader. So mine does. So I could just go ahead and use this micro SD card holder. I'm not sure what it's actually called. But you just go ahead and you slide it in like so. If your computer doesn't have the SD card reader, inside the case here is an adapter. So you could go ahead and just insert the SD card into here, and then this would plug into your computer via USB, and then all the steps are going to be the same. So we're going to take our SD card, we're going to pop it into the computer like so, and it should just go ahead and pop up. And what you're going to do is go ahead and open this DCIM folder, GoPro, and these are some videos that Xavier shot, so we're going to go ahead and get one uploading. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to YouTube, and if you go to YouTube, you're going to be logged in under your Halo email account. So go ahead and click that drop down, go to switch account, then go to the Halo Inc. channel. Once you're here, just go ahead and click upload, and go ahead and drag your video straight from the SD card over into the YouTube upload window. Go ahead and fill out your title. I'm not going to do that because I'm not sure what this video is. I'll let Xavier do that once he's done filming. Select the appropriate playlist that you want to put it in. Go down here to show more, and if you wanted to go ahead and add tags on the farm under Halo, if you go to the Halo folder, we do have a YouTube tags document going on. So if you wanted to add tags to it, you go ahead and just select all the tags for your department, paste them in, they're going to pop up there. Video location, you just type in Halo Inc. and click on the Broadway location, and you're good to go. So it's going to go through its uploading, and then it's going to process, and it's going to go through checks. At that point, once it's gone through the checks, you'll be able to select a thumbnail from down here, and then you're going to go to visibility, keep it public, go ahead and click publish, and your video is live, and you're good to create a QR code or whatever you're doing at that point. Thanks for watching.